First, let's work on the pronunciation. STR almost sounds like there's a CH sound in the middle, like str, str. It's the same as in the words strong, strange, and street. The letter I has the same sound as in the words like, item, and white. Say the word after me. Strike. The word strike is another way to say to hit with a hand, weapon, or tool. For example, the car went out of control and struck a tree. You need to strike the nail with the hammer. It's more common to use the word hit, but strike is another possibility. We also use the word strike when a bolt of lightning, that's electricity that comes from the sky during a thunderstorm, hits something on the ground. For example, the tree was struck by lightning. The verb strike is also used for lighting a match, as in the picture. We call this striking a match, when you rub it on the box and make it catch fire. Now, a totally different use for the word strike is to describe a situation when workers stop working to protest the company or their working conditions. For example, the workers are on strike because they want higher salaries. This means the employees stop working and have a protest in order to force the company to pay them higher salaries. The word strike can also mean an attack, like a military attack. For example, the air strike caused heavy damage to the town. And finally, strike can be used as a verb meaning to make an impression on someone. For example, I don't know, there's just something about him that strikes me as dishonest. Some aspect of his personality makes the impression on me that he is dishonest. That's one final way to use the word strike.